Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you guys are just tuning in for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. Alright, what's up guys? So today we are here, back at it again at Silverado Valley. Yeah, I think that's the name of the community. Yeah, that's the name of the community. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Charlotte. This property right here by Lennar. This one is the asking price, base price, starting price, $496,990. This property features 2,908 square feet, 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So let's take a look at it. HOAs are about $57 a month. Ooh, I do like this. Let's take a look. Now, the property does come with solar panels too as well. Definitely love that front veneer, stack stone here. Very traditional home. Now, what's great about Lennar now is that you can do the self-tours. However, if you do register for the self-tour, make sure you include me as your realtor. So that way, when you are ready to purchase a home, there's some representation that you have. As you can see, we do have the solar panels here. There are only a few solar panels. Personally, I do not think it's worth it. I'll do a series on solar panels. I won't do it today. Definitely do love the pavers here. You got concrete stucco. All right, let's go inside. You got an 8-foot door. Now I'm gonna shut this door behind me. Okay. Here is your 2-car garage. Now we do have some nice wood floors. Now it is a little bit dark. I had to change the ISO to 800. Try to bring in a little bit more light. However, shooting at 1080p, it may be a little bit grainy for you. So I do apologize. The reason why is because it is a little bit gloomy today. That is correct. But take a look at this island. This is a beautiful, beautiful island with the undermounted sink. A Mary sink. You got the GE appliances. And you got the vinyl flooring. Now, I do love the vinyl flooring. The way that they make these vinyl floorings now, they're pretty much all waterproof. Love the backsplash on here. You got the espresso cabinets, side glides, and then you got the 42 uppers. Look here. Let's take a look at the pantry. Standard door, standard knob. Get the pantry. Now there's about a total of, I think, like 127 lots. Now there are a total of 9 different floor plans to choose from. There are 4 different series. Take a look at this. It's gorgeous. Nice cover patio here. We can't go to the back. A couple of reasons. It's cold and it's locked. South Point right here is across the street. We're located on the southwest Las Vegas Valley. There's another covered patio, which is really nice. Look at that. Not bad for the price. Not bad. You got ample shopping. There's a lot nearby. Definitely one of the things I would definitely upgrade here is you need a lot of light because there is just not enough light. It just looks too dark. That. Come on down this way. Just way too dark. And plus you got this overcast too. Matter of fact, you know, I might have to come back. Definitely might have to come back another day. But what's great about today, it's very chilly, it's very windy. So you don't have a lot of people coming in and out. Looks like you got an alarm system there. I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but when it comes to paint, They're all different types of paint out there. Sherwin-Williams is one of the vendors for this builder, and the way that they make their paint, allegedly, is that it saves you power. Okay? Reason why they're saying that is because the type of paint that goes on your walls, it holds in the cold air and the heat. Also, they do make paint like that for the exterior of the home too as well. You got 12 by 24 on the tile. You got the matching cabinets. Nice. Water closet here off to the left. Man, this video is just way so dark. We have our closet and ooh, this is my kind of shirt right here. It's extra large though. Well, this is my shirt right here. I love this shirt. Not bad. Take a look at the tub. Fiberglass tub. Love the fact that it is just one piece for low maintenance. We talked about that in the last video. Love the fact that they do have a transfer grill here. That's perfect. Coming across the hall, we have our half bath, the water closet, coming back down this way. Oh, I forgot to mention, single story, right? I want to show you something. Well, let me retract. So this model, they make this model in a single story, minus the upstairs and this room right here in the front. So keep that in mind. It's just not modeled. Pretty decent size. They got the transfer grill, radiant barrier, interior walls. They got the R13, R30 inside the attic. Coming to the bathroom. Okay. Come back this way. Got some closet space. Off to the left, we have our laundry room. The light should just turn on as we come in. It's one thing that Lennar is good for. Smart panel box. See if we can get into this. Oh, I hate when they screw it in, but dude, this is a 48-inch smart panel box, which is great for high-speed data communication. And also, I wanted to see actually they had the Smurf tube down to the D-Mart. This is just some open closet here. I don't know if this is kind of like a waste of space. It felt like this could have been utilized some way, somehow. I'm just saying that because, yeah, I don't understand. They could have made this bathroom a lot bigger by getting rid of this. I think that was dead space, but who knows? Maybe it's just the engineering on the floor plan. What I know. Let's go upstairs. Okay, so little upstairs is going to be a loft game room. Looks like. Wow, pretty decent size. We got 9-foot ceilings on the second floor here. That'd be nice if you could open this up as a stair rail, right? That would definitely open up this space. Thermostat here, programmable to your phone. So we got 2 bedrooms up here. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Now, one thing I don't like is that they put the crawl space here. Reason why they did that is because the furnace is right there. Got your closet, walk-in closet, okay. This is a pretty decent sized room right here. This is a pretty large room. Wow, this home is pretty massive actually. Got your walk-in closet. Here's your bathroom. Tub shower combo. I love this tub shower combo on this one. I think this is a Mary sink on this one, the brand. I don't know. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Coming back out. I don't know if I did that closet or not. I'm tripping. But just another way to come into the bathroom. I'll show you what's going on. Alright, that's pretty much it for this home tour. Like I said, the lighting is so horrible. Apologize about that, but it is what it is. According to Max Holloway, it is what it is. Max, if you're watching this video, man, hit me up, man. Definitely would love to collaborate with you. Alright. Let's take a look here. Let me know what your thoughts are about this property. I'm going to come on this side right here so that way you guys get a better angle. And some good lighting. Here we go. If you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, until next time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.